Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing 5G technology. As we move forward in the digital age, the need for faster and more efficient mobile networks becomes increasingly important. And that's where 5G comes in. So, let's dive into what 5G is, how it works and its benefits. 5G is the fifth generation of mobile networks, which provides faster speeds, lower latency and greater capacity than previous generations. It's the latest and greatest in mobile technology, promising to revolutionize the way we use our devices and connect to the internet. 5G is the latest and most advanced generation of mobile networks, and it offers several key differences compared to its predecessor 4G in previous generations such as 3G and 2G. Speed: 5G is significantly faster than 4G in previous generations, offering download speeds that are 10 to 100 times faster. This means you can download large files and stream high-quality videos without any buffering. Latency: latency refers to the time it takes for a data packet to travel from your device to the network and back. 5G has significantly lower latency compared to 4G in previous generations, allowing for real-time responses in applications such as virtual reality and autonomous vehicles. Capacity: 5G networks have greater capacity, which means they can support a larger number of connected devices without sacrificing speed or performance. Network architecture: 5G uses a more complex network architecture compared to previous generations, with the use of multiple frequency bands and advanced antenna technologies. Use cases: 5G is designed to support a wide range of new and emerging technologies, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, autonomous vehicles, and virtual reality, which were not possible with previous generations of mobile networks. Overall, 5G represents a significant leap forward in mobile technology, offering faster speeds, lower latency, greater capacity, and new opportunities for innovation. Internet of Things, IoT. 5G's high-speed and low-latency capabilities make it ideal for supporting the growing number of connected devices in the IoT ecosystem. Autonomous vehicles. 5G's low latency and high-speed capabilities are critical for supporting the communication between autonomous vehicles and their surroundings. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. 5G's low latency and high-speed capabilities make it possible to deliver high-quality VR and AR experiences with minimal lag or delay. Healthcare. 5G can support remote medical consultations and remote monitoring of patients, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. Manufacturing. 5G can support the use of Industry 4.0 technologies, such as autonomous robots and smart factories, to increase efficiency and productivity in the manufacturing sector. These are just a few examples of the many fields where 5G technology is expected to have a significant impact. As 5G continues to be rolled out and adopted, it's likely that new and exciting use cases will emerge. To give you an example of how 5G can be used, let's look at the field of healthcare. With 5G, medical professionals can remotely access patient data, perform virtual consultations and even remotely operate medical equipment. This can greatly improve the speed and efficiency of medical care, and even bring healthcare to rural or underserved areas. Frequency bands. 5G uses a wider range of frequency bands, including high band, millimeter wave, and mid-band frequencies, in addition to low-band frequencies used by previous generations. This allows 5G to offer higher speeds and greater capacity. Network architecture. 5G networks are designed to be more complex and hierarchical, with the use of advanced technologies such as small cells, beamforming, and massive MIMO. These technologies help to improve coverage, reduce interference, and increase capacity. Radio access technology, RAT. 5G uses a new radio access technology, known as New Radio, NR, which allows for faster data transfer and more efficient use of spectrum. Network slicing. 5G networks can be dynamically divided into virtual networks, each with its own unique characteristics and specifications, to support a wide range of use cases. Edge computing. 5G networks will also rely on edge computing, which allows data processing to occur closer to the source of the data, reducing latency and improving performance. And that's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of what 5G is and how it works. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thank you for watching.